Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and to wrap up our slow cooker series, I am doing a spin on a very classic takeout menu item, a Kung Pao chicken made in the slow cooker. So if you like slow cooker recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing we're gonna do is saute the chicken for a little bit with a little bit of cornstarch and black pepper, a little bit of salt, and then just in some coconut oil. Now you can totally leave this step out since it is gonna be in a slow cooker for a long time, but I feel like just having a little bit of brown around the chicken just gives it a little bit of extra flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead. I am gonna use my Instant Pot today. So if you have one, you know that it doubles as a saute, kind of like a frying pan. If you don't, and you don't want to messy another pan, totally just skip this step. But I'm just gonna wait till the oil heats up and then add my chicken. Okay, so I've cubed about 3 chicken breasts. I'm just gonna add some cornstarch, black pepper, and salt to it. Give it a quick little mix. And then now that my frying pan, or my Instant Pot is good and warm, I'm gonna add it to that. And you're just gonna brown this for a few minutes. All right, so while my chicken is browning, I'm gonna make the sauce really quickly. So I have a little bit of water here. To that, I'm gonna add soy sauce, a little bit of garlic and ginger, some hoisin sauce, and then honey. All right, and I'm just gonna mix this up really quickly. Okay, so and then I'm gonna add a little bit of this fixed sriracha sauce that I have. And it really is up to your taste preference. If you like spicy, this is a little bit more spicier than I would say the regular sriracha. If you watch my haul, this is locally from Washington with really good organic ingredients. So definitely recommend if you live in Washington. All right, so my chicken looks good and browned and no more, you can't see any more pink in it. So now I'm just gonna add my sauce. Give it a good mix. All right, so that looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and close the lid. Now, if you use your Instant Pot as a slow cooker, you just wanna make sure the top is on venting. And then over here, you just turn it on, push the slow cooker. And then I already have it set at 2. I'm gonna put it on high for 2 hours. So you would adjust the time first and then push the pressure button to adjust the pressure. And I would say I've done this a few times. High is equal to more, and then low is equal to normal. I feel like the less is a little too low in temperature. But anyways, this is gonna cook for 2 hours on high, or you can do low for 4 hours. So I will show you guys when this is all done. All right, so my slow cooker has been going for about an hour and a half. I still have about half an hour left on high. So what I'm gonna do now is add the vegetables. So I have a little bit of a corn starch slurry, which is just cornstarch and a little bit of water. And I'm gonna add this too to thicken the sauce up a little bit. And then I'm now going to add in all my vegetables. So I have a little bit of onion, some snap peas, bell pepper, and zucchini. And I'm just gonna add that all into the slow cooker or my Instant Pot. And I'm gonna put it back on high for another 30 minutes, and then I'll show you guys what's next. All right, so I also added a little bit of cashew that I forgot to show you. So that's all. I'm gonna close it for another 30 minutes. All right, guys, I think I am all done. Look at that. So, of course, because we did do this in a slow cooker, you're not gonna get kind of like that crispiness that you usually get with Kung Pao. Definitely a healthier alternative to the takeout. So I've got some toppings that I have. I've got a little bit of just dried chili peppers that I'm just gonna add It doesn't really add any spiciness, just adds a little bit of color. And then if you want to really spice up your dish, you can eat one. And then also just a little bit of sesame seeds. Top it off with. And then I always love just green onions, so I'm just gonna add some green onions. And then a little bit of extra heat. I'm just gonna add a little bit of crushed red peppers. So there you go. Yummy. All right, so now it's time to taste test. So I've got myself a little bit of brown rice. Just gonna top a little bit off. Yum, and the sauce is nice and thick. Just look at that. Yum. All right. Now for a little extra heat, because you know I'm all about that spice, I'm gonna add a little bit more of that Flakes sriracha sauce. Okay, time to take a bite. This is really, really hot, so you guys gotta give me a second. Hot. So good, so flavorful, and woo, spicy too. So good, guys. So easy to make. Takes probably about an evening. You can start it off in the morning and it'll be done by midday. So definitely a good recipe to make on the weekend. If you guys like slow cooker recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.